We offer hundreds of materials and finishes, as well as various inspection and quality control options. Here's how it works. Indicate quantity, materials, and post-processing. In seconds, you'll receive an online quote with price, lead time, designed for manufacturability feedback. You can adjust the part's specifications and instantly see how they affect the price and lead time of your part. Step 2. Confirm your order details and click Confirm the order, and then sends the parts to you. Step 3. Get your parts delivered right to the doorstep. Use Xometry to get instant quotes at any stage of your production cycle, from project planning and prototype manufacturing to scaling up your order to hundreds of thousands of parts.